But on Wednesday also the market opened around the same zone. You can see the market opened around the same zone, but tried to stay lower. But again, a point should be mentioned is that this 436, you can see this 436 again, but the market 436 provided some resistance on Wednesday, and it came down till 432 approximately 432.03. Again, from 432.03 the market showed some clear pullback, which means this 432 acted as a major support for copper market, and the market tried to close higher, that is above the market opening. But still the trend remains the same, because you can see the market very well staying within the moving average which we are following. So you can see this red line. Always you may notice there are two lines. One is a red line and another is a blue line. The red line indicates a long-term moving average and the blue line indicates a short-term moving average. We use it as a tool in order to cross-check whether the market is staying with the trend or it is having some momentum. That's all. So after the price closing around 438, just above 438, on Thursday the price again opened lower, and again you can see that there are few things which we should notice. This 438 again provided a resistance, because you can very well notice that these two lines, that is the reason why we have drawn this 438 and 436 zone. So on Thursday the market again went and tested this 438 but couldn't sustain, and it came down and closed around 436. But again what we should notice is that this zone 434.2, 434.2, and again on Thursday also this provided some support, but it gave a clear direction on Friday, just because it took some clear resistance around 436 and came down and broke this 432, which is a major support, and it was quite comfortable staying below and closed below that. That is an important point we should note. A closing below a major support zone of 432 can always provide some momentum. So if you see that last week what happened, if you see the price actions on the last week, it was completely dominated by the sellers. From 442 till 432 it was completely dominated by the sellers. But the two zones which we should notice is that the patterns which was created on the last week is that every day the market created a pullback pattern. You can very well notice that from 400 whenever it is touching, it created a pullback, and also on Wednesday it created a pullback, and also on Thursday it created a pullback, which means the market tried to move higher but it couldn't go, and it failed. If there is any price action on Friday, if you consider that if the price opened around 436, if it is staying above 438, then the things would have been different, but it didn't. It stayed below and closed below 432, which indicates us that the trend is very much intact for downtrend. So there is no doubt the trend is going to be down. So today with this week, why we are saying that what happened the previous week, you should be very clear about the zones where the market moved of the last week. And you can very well notice that this 436 and 438 is a major zone, so which can play a major role for this week. So last week we targeted on 442, but just this week we are going to decrease our stop loss, as because we want to protect our profit which we have gained last week. So today we expect the market to open based upon the COMEX price. We expect the market to open around 434, which can be above the previous week closing. That is on Saturday the market closed, and Friday and Saturday the market closed around 432, but the opening is just above the major support zone, which indicates that the market has already provided some support around 433, and this zone you can very well see that around this zone the market provided some support. Since we expect the price to open just for above 433 to 434, so this is a zone where we can expect the market to open. But again we are saying it is always based upon the INR price value also. But now, as of now, we have not taken that into account. We have taken only the COMEX price into account based upon the COMEX price, which indicates that the market opening can be around 433 to 434. Since the price is opening just above this 433.32, which is a major support, expected price opening, so we want to be just we want to be cautious about this zone 436 to 438. Let us go back to see the importance of 436 and 438. So why this zone is important? Let us go back and see. You can follow this two straight lines. This is 436 and this is 438. Just let us go back and we can see that the market after the previous weeks, if you go back, you can also see the date below. On 26, when the market tried to move higher, this 436 and this 438, the market stayed in the zone. After breaking the zone clearly, the market moved higher. So this zone is quite important. Let us still go back and see about the importance of this 436 and 438. So always you can notice that you can see the date below, that is on 19th of 3rd, 19th on the 3rd of this year. So you can very well notice this zone 436 and 438 often acted as a consolidation zone. This zone after acted as a consolidation zone. You can see the level of consolidation it had. After breaking this 438 very comfortably and after taking some support around 436 and 438, that is on 24th of March. You can see always we are mentioning that you can see the date below. After opening around on 26th of March, after breaking the zone comfortably, that is 436 and 438, which acted as a zone, after breaking the zone, the market just showed some momentum. You can very well notice the market went up till 444 and again the market came down and tested this zone. You can very well notice that this zone is always a major zone, this 436 and 438. Again it took the support and after breaking the zone it went till 446. You can notice that. So why we are saying this 436 is important is that you can very well notice whenever the price after you can notice that after testing 436, since the market broke this zone 436 and 432, after breaking the zone, once we are seeing a very drastic drop. You can know if you are following your presentation and you can go back to the histories of chart, you can see after breaking this 436 and 38 on the 9th of April, you can notice that there was a very huge drop in copper market. So that is the reason why we are insisting on certain zones which we should take some extra care. We cannot take it very easily. So that is the reason again the market provided a lot of consolidation around this zone. This is what technical analysis is all about. We should always go back to the histories of chart and we should notice what is the importance of this zone. So today, since we are expecting, since the price is always within the same reach of this zone, we should be very cautious about that, because if there is any price movement above this zone, that can give some price momentum. So that momentum can push the market to break the 442 resistance also. So that is the reason, though the market, we expect the market to stay in downtrend, we should always notice the importance of the major support and resistance zone and the consolidation zones. So this is how we practice about practice how to see the major zones, and we also expect all of you to do your homework, because all the Mondays are very important. If you can pick exactly and if you are in trend with on Monday, then all the days are going to be quite easy for you. But if you lose and if you are in the wrong side in Monday, then it's going to be quite difficult for you for the complete week. So that is the reason we are putting a lot of effort to explain now how you can go with this week. So since this zone 436 and 438 are important, unless until we get a closing above this 438, we cannot confirm that the price can move higher. So if the price should move higher, we should this zone will provide a platform, and again you are going to see some consolidation around this zone, and unless until we get a closing above this 438 for this week, we cannot expect the price to move higher. So why we are insisting about breakout and we are explaining about the closing above this 438 is that there is a tendency for traders, whenever they see some major support zones, they go for buying. But buying on support is quite good, but only if it is in trend. Buying on support in a downtrend is not going to give us any profit. So you should not always have the habit. Let's just go with the trend. So trend is always our friend. Only if the price is going above 438, which can be, if the price is going to stay above 438, which means it is going to be above the long term moving average also. So that can also provide some support. So let us wait for buying. Till now, till the price go above 438, what we expect is that it is quite difficult for the market to gain some buying momentum. So for this week, what we expect is that we expect the selling to continue for this week, but please make a note about this zone 436 to 438 unless until we get a closing above that. So it is quite difficult for the market to move higher. And again, we want to say this 400, you cannot take this 432 very easily. So you should always put some efforts in market maintaining whether the market is forming a bottoms, how the market is forming a bottom around this 432. In order to get a clear price downtrend, we should expect the market to break this 432 very comfortably without any major bottom support forming around this zone, and the expected target is 426 for the coming. If the trend is intact, then we can expect 436 and again 422 in near term. So if the price copper continues to stay in downtrend for this week, you can expect 426 and 422. These are the target levels which you can expect based upon your money management technique. You can add your exposures. So if you are our client, then you may know how we follow the principles of averaging within the trend. So if you have any doubt also, you can contact us. You can open a trading account with us, so we will guide you how to integrate money method and mind in your trading platforms. So let us see what's going to happen in this week. We wish you all the best because today is the beginning of the new week. Follow the support and resistance very carefully, and closely monitor these price zone of oil for copper traders 436 and 438. So thanks a lot for viewing our video presentation. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.